Okay, in problem number 2, the question says, what is the most specific name for quadrilateral QRST? QRST. All right? Now, what we're going to do is need to figure out what kind of shape it is. So I'll give you a moment to think about it before we answer. Okay? All right. Now, let's take a look. We have 7 right here. We have 8 right there. Okay? Those aren't congruent. We have 8 right here. We have 7 right here. Those aren't congruent. Okay? So we already know that this is not a parallelogram because the opposite sides are not congruent. However, we can figure out that maybe it's just a quadrilateral, or it could be a trapezoid, or it could be a kite. All right? Now, here's how we can determine it. We know that this is 7. We know that this is 7. So they're congruent. So we know that these two are congruent. We know that 8 and 8 are congruent as well. So, can you remember what shape this has it, where if these two sides are congruent and these two sides are congruent, what kind of shape is that? That's right. It's a kite. And the reason is, remember, is that a kite has 2 pairs of congruent sides that are consecutive. All right? They're not opposite, they're just consecutive. So this and this are congruent, this and this are congruent. Okay? But the opposites are not congruent. Okay? So this shape is a kite.